Kugai khi sai sin kadai Shaiphyrnai Dohling Phanrang but kane ka video ko bede ko factorization kane ka splitting of middle term ka kwa ban kai phi da kane ka nuksa 4 by 3x plus x squared is equal to 0 kabring kong kabang di ban le ane to mention LCM maybe 3 divided by 3 is 1 upon 1 into that 4x kadai 4x 3 hangin number bom don 18 multiply by directly ante lor kalong kat to t new 3 mentang number yang habra stay 3 into 0 kami 0 so 4x plus 3x squared is equal to 0 mentah hangi ufo ngedi 3 ki number kimdan common and shim do x dengan thought 4 plus 3x is equal to 0 kini kamut mentah either x is equal to 0 or either x is equal to 0 or 4 plus 3x is equal to 0 hani na yo lupa x is equal to 0 or 3x is equal to minus 4 or x is equal to minus 4 by 3 therefore x is equal to 0 ngede minus 4 by 3 sebab apa yang kini kita akan pause video mat pek yang kini kita akan buka satu dan pendam ini nama apa banyak sedikit way I nuksa mentang ini simpat dah kena kui ka nuksa x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 is equal to 1 by 4 kena kadai a minus b whole square tinggal untuk a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square lani ngitan sa dah kui ka trick kuno mengine kena ladang ngitan x square is equal to 1 by 4 kena kamu x rang-rang no square sine kalong square root so root over 1 by 4 root over of 1 is 1 root over 4 kali 2 kamu x is equal to half program nak nak trick ni tekan dia x minus half is equal to 1 by 4 kena kalau square root nomor square lara sitai tekan dia kalau x minus half 1 by 4 baru kali 2 so kena kalau ladang ni ladang asyam LCM ni ladang tengin asyam LCM ni kena kalau 2x minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 new 2 but new 2 cancel ini stang 1 tinggal stang 2x minus 1 is equal to 1 2x minus 1 new 1 antara asnya kalau minus 1 so 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 jika nanti minus 1 nanti minus 2 is equal to 0 dengan pendam ni dengan lihat hangnya kita kena 2x minus 2 nanti apa yang ni 2x minus 2 is equal to 0 and sim common do 2 kena kalau x minus 1 because 2 into x 2x 2 into 1 is 2 so kena new 2 darah siapa nomor kalau 0 by 2 kalau 0 tinggal sastang x minus 1 is equal to 0 or it implies x is equal to 1 ladang ibu angnya x is equal to 1 in sami ka jawab 1 by 4 common ka value jo x na ne ka 1 Nangis kan pila satu itu bab na kerman hindu la balik bahan nangis khmat habin jini kai iba ngat bu benar senyam sagi kena jong kene ke enang salang sui nangis kan tak jing trei shitom jing na joki pin salah itu ne kini anda berbor punya api so like but subscribe ya video sama po YouTube bangai kata Shaiphyrnai shibun